Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the ultimate beauty showdown, BB creams versus CC creams. These makeup bag must-haves are often talked about, but it can be so confusing trying to figure out the difference and which one is right for you. If you've ever wondered which one to grab for that flawless, effortless look, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. Before we jump in, please be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss these beauty videos. Let's start with the OG, shall we? The one that started it all. BB cream stands for beauty balm or blemish balm, and it has been a game changer in the beauty industry. It really is like a balm for your skin, providing a soothing and hydrating experience. BB creams are known for being multitaskers. They moisturize, prime, and even out your skin tone. They provide light to medium coverage, which is perfect for everyday wear. And let's not forget, many BB creams come with SPF protection, shielding your skin from harmful UV rays. BB creams are generally best for those with normal to dry skin types, offering hydration and a dewy finish. They're also amazing for anyone just starting out with makeup because they're super easy to apply and blend, making them beginner-friendly. One thing I absolutely love about BB creams is that they're like your skin, but better. They enhance your natural beauty without looking heavy. If you're someone who prefers a more natural, no-makeup look, then a BB cream is definitely your jam. It gives you that effortless, fresh-faced glow. When I'm using a BB cream, I like to apply it with my fingers for a seamless finish. The warmth of your fingers helps the product melt into your skin, giving you a flawless look. So, if you haven't tried a BB cream yet, what are you waiting for? It might just become your skin's new best friend. I am currently using the L'Oreal Paris Makeup Magic Skin Beautifier BB cream, and I absolutely love it because it works like a dream. Now, let's talk about CC creams, which stands for color correcting creams. CC creams are designed to address specific skin concerns like redness, discoloration, and uneven skin tone. They typically offer light to medium coverage, similar to BB creams, but they pack a punch when it comes to color correction. One of the things that sets CC creams apart is their lightweight texture. They're usually a bit thinner than BB creams, making them perfect for those with oily or acne-prone skin. CC creams often contain ingredients like antioxidants and brightening agents that work wonders for improving your skin's overall appearance over time. Just like with BB creams, you can apply CC creams with your fingers, a brush, or a sponge. BB creams versus CC creams, the ultimate showdown. Okay, are you ready for the ultimate showdown? This is where we dive deep into the world of BB creams and CC creams to uncover their secrets. BB creams and CC creams, what's the real difference? It's a question that has puzzled beauty enthusiasts for years. Well, my friends, it all boils down to coverage, ingredients, and skin benefits. Let's start with coverage. BB creams typically offer light to medium coverage, perfect for everyday wear. They are ideal for those who want a natural look without feeling too heavy on the skin. CC creams, on the other hand, can range from light to medium coverage depending on the formula. They are designed to color correct and provide a more even skin tone. Now let's talk ingredients. BB creams are often formulated with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin, which helps to plump up the skin and create a dewy finish. These ingredients are perfect for those with dry or combination skin. CC creams often contain ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, and licorice root extract, which help to brighten the skin, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and even out skin tone. These ingredients are great for those looking to tackle hyperpigmentation and achieve a radiant complexion. Finally, let's discuss skin benefits. BB creams are amazing for providing hydration, sun protection, and a natural-looking finish. They often come with SPF, making them a great all-in-one product for daily use. BB creams are perfect for those who want a quick and easy skincare routine without compromising on skin health. They offer a blend of skincare and makeup benefits. CC creams are the way to go if you're struggling with redness, discoloration, or uneven skin tone. They are formulated to address specific skin concerns and provide a more polished look. Whether you choose BB or CC cream, both have their unique advantages and can be a great addition to your beauty routine. choosing your champion, BB or CC cream. So you're probably wondering, which one should I choose, BB cream or CC cream? It's a common dilemma, and you're not alone in this quest for the perfect product. Well, my loves, the answer is, it depends. Yes, it really does. The choice between BB and CC cream isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. It all comes down to your individual skin type, concerns, and desired finish. Think about what your skin needs the most. Is it hydration, coverage, or perhaps a bit of both? If you have normal to dry skin and you're looking for a product that provides hydration, light to medium coverage, and SPF protection, then a BB cream is your new BFF. It's like a tinted moisturizer with added benefits. But if you're struggling with redness, discoloration, or uneven skin tone, and you prefer a lightweight formula that won't clog your pores, then a CC cream is here to save the day. CC stands for color correcting, and it does just that. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer when it comes to choosing between BB and CC creams. It's all about what works best for you and your skin's unique needs. Don't be afraid to experiment and try out different formulas until you find your perfect match. Sometimes it takes a bit of trial and error to discover what makes your skin look and feel its best. And hey, who says you have to choose just one? You can mix and match, using BB cream on some days and CC cream on others, depending on what your skin needs. You can totally use both BB and CC creams in your makeup routine. The possibilities are endless. So go ahead, have fun with it, and let your skin shine in its own unique way. BB and CC creams, we love them both. So there you have it, beautiful. The ultimate guide to BB creams and CC creams. Remember, both BB and CC creams are amazing multitaskers that can simplify your makeup routine and help you achieve a flawless complexion. Ultimately, the best product for you will depend on your individual skin type, concerns, and desired finish. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one do you prefer, BB or CC cream? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also love to learn more about BB and CC creams. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future beauty breakdowns. See you in the next video.